wondered about my brother Antonio. What time he came to work today?
He didn't show up for work today. He didn't call or nothing. You need to go to the police immediately.
Just take him. You know where.
Do you have any information about my family?
No. When's the last time you saw Danny or Antonio?
At the water meeting. He had to go see Maria. He was in a rush. I never saw him again.
Ni un solo movimiento, ni una sola palabra. Porque si lo haces, mataré a tu esposa, a tu hija y a todos.
You got him? Yeah, they're right there.
Hello, I want to report something. There's a kidnapping going on. The vehicle is a blue Yukon. Tell the police to send help. I was just fishing and I can't believe I'm seeing this now. I want to keep my name anonymous, please. I'm by the South River and the highway by Marty Road.
People in the Imperial Valley met to protest outside City Hall on Monday. They were upset about the impending water transfer to LA and San Diego, the big cities on the coast. The meeting was set to discuss the future of the water transfer, but the All-American Water District canceled it at the last minute. Dozens of people showed up to talk at the meeting and protest, then found out the meeting was canceled. We asked city official Ms. Anderson as to why the meeting was canceled, but he declined to comment. Many believe it has something to do with the man from Jalisco. No one knows when the man from Jalisco will write next, and when we reached out here to the Imperial Valley Daily to inquire about him, they also refused to comment. We'll keep you updated with this story as more information becomes available. With Imperial Valley 6 o'clock news, this is Caleb Sanchez.
We need to find Danny and Jatana and kill them for once and for all.
Vicente should have had us kill them a long time ago. Hello? It's Alfonso.
Hello, Armando. I heard you had a problem.
Yeah, they got away.
I see. Vicente and I are on our way, and we are very disappointed.
Hey, Josh,
Yeah?
did you hear? He got away.
Who got away? Not the man from Jalisco.
Yes, Danny. Well, at least we now have his father.
I know we have his father. I don't care. How did he escape?
One of the strippers got a key and let him out.
God!
Hello? Hello?
Somebody there?
Sergio Flores? I'm Russ Jenkins. I'm working with the DEA.
Do you have any information about my family?
No. When's the last time you saw Danny or Antonio?
At the water meeting. he had to go see Maria. He was in a rush. I never saw him again.
Your family's in big trouble, Vincenzo. Is there any information you can share with me?
I'm on my way to see Ward Bailey.
Ward Bailey, the bar out there by the dunes?
He may have some connection with who kidnapped my family. I gotta get some answers.
Is that so? Come on, hop in. I'll give you a lift.
Americans can't get enough of it. The Cinta is sending a large shipment. In 5 days, they're going to smuggle it. Pero ¿cómo? The Cinta says some very special illegals are going to bring it in the backpack.
Vicente se va a asegurar que mi mamá cruce a los Estados Unidos.
That's right. The Cinta was very hard for his employees.
Y cuando llegue le va a encontrar trabajo.
Of course, anything for a princess.
They want to kill your family. I'm sorry. That's what
Hola.
Mama, I need to tell you something.
Cuelga el teléfono, señora.
My daughter. I love you, mija.
Mama, they're going to kill you.
Hey, deja eso ahí. Ponga el teléfono abajo. Póngase a trabajar.
No, these people are very nice people.
No, Mama, they're going to kill you.
Deme esa madre. Démela. Ya le he dicho que no. Suélteme esa madre. Suéltala. Dámelo.
Mija, you said something, but I don't believe it. Tell me what you said.
Mama, they're going to kill you. Mama, where are you?
Mija, are you there? Mija.
Same Bailey that sold his land to California?
I think he is.
Wow, that's a big fish.
Una cerveza, por favor.
Hey.
place a couple times. Very cool.
Thanks, eh? What's your nephew's name?
Danny Flores.
Well, I know Danny very well. My name's Ward Bailey.
Mucho gusto. I'm Vicencio Flores. And this is Russ.
Russ, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I see you are a fan of the Man From Jalisco.
Yeah. I think that's doing a lot of good over here. That letter helped to get people to fight against the politicians that are, trying to lock us out of the desert.
Really?
Yeah. My business hurt real bad. I mean, big time. I mean, this is the last bar before you get to the dunes. That letter there put up a good fight, and now my business is better.
Are you from the same Bailey family that sold its business to Cal Farms?
Yeah, well, I'm the only one that's not selling my piece. Cal Farms is still trying to buy it, but it won't. I mean, you will not believe how much money they offer.
So who is the Bailey man who has long hair?
Now that's Josh, that's my nephew. Don't do business with him, he's bad. And my brother and my nephew moved to La Jolla, sold all their piece of property.
Why won't you sell like the other brothers and your nephew?
It's the land that you see. I mean, imagine having a piece of land that your father had and his father before. Imagine working half your life in a single field. It just becomes a part of you. You ever felt like that?
My father had ground in Jalisco. Not much, but I never could go because of Los Hermanos took over the land.
Boys, how's it going?
Hey boys, how you doing? You got it.
Who wore a pistol under each hand, shot down under a full moon outside the very same saloon. I decided.
So who's in charge of Cal Farms anyway?
Well, I don't know. I mean, there is one guy from Texas, I know that. Hey Rick, what's the name of that guy from Texas that helped putting that deal together with California?
I hate it when you do this. I'm gonna have to be up all night thinking about his name.
Yeah, I'll tell you what though, that Cal Farms deal is big.
Joe, you're a stupid jerk. He wants to pasture.
What did he say?
He wants to pasture cattle.
Wait, I didn't know that all of it.
Yes, all of it.
Ain't no money in that.
Well, yeah, there's no money in pasturing cattle, but there is money in selling off your water rights. Cal Farms can pay them their fair share. Geez, I can't believe my brother and my uncle. I mean, yes, their land was costing them a lot of money, but you just don't sell your soul.
Walter Boone, that's his name.
How do you know all this, Rick?
Joe told me Cal Farms had been trying to buy his land for years.
John Van Horn?
We went to school with him.
Yeah, real good businessman. Son of a bitch has built one of the biggest operations in the valley. Very savvy.
You know him?
He's my boss, mi patrón.
Get us out of here. You bastards, you're gonna pay for this. You're going to pay for this.
No veo nada sospechoso, pero algo están tramando los Fanhorn. Yo te informo. Yo te mantengo informado, no te preocupes. Bye, estoy trabajando.
Is just, you know, going through the scenes. I mean, it was I think we filmed for 5 or 6 days on it, and it was really important and knowledgeable about everything, and really to me was exciting to be on.
The drought's a serious thing out here in the West Coast, and it's been an issue for a long time. And you know, in this film depicting the whole fact that here the cartel, myself part of that, trying to take over the rights. When there's money, there's, you know, there's greed.
The movie has so many topics, you know, shows so many topics: agriculture, nature, family, you know, different cultures, and the problems, you know, that we have in, you know, in the border. So it's very interesting.
It kind of has that Robin Hood feeling, where there is an underdog hero, and there's a few villains in the story. And I think everybody has a side of them that identifies with this kind of plot.
I thought this project was really cool when I was approached with it, actually. I was excited to be involved in something that was local from here in the Valley, and I was, you know, really interested in being in a film. I've never acted or been in any kind of film project before, and I thought it was really cool to be involved with something independent and homegrown. I thought it was really cool. The project itself is kind of innovative. It takes a story that is created around here in the Imperial Valley, and it involves a lot of really exciting themes like the drug cartels, and it's also political. So it takes a lot of aspects of that are true to life for here in the Imperial Valley, and I thought that was pretty cool.
They're nice people, great people, and it's a good part of Mexico, really good part of Mexico, and I wanted to capture that. And I also want to add Man From Jalisco. The music from Gregory Turner is really good. You'll love it. Gracias, muchas gracias por los sponsors, Gerardo Venegas, todas las personas on el proyecto, Brian Sperber, Clarina Valdez, Miguel Medina, Martin Castro, muchas gracias.
Hey, Mike Morris here from El Centro Motors. You sitting at home, kicking back, watching the game, just keep watching the game. Call us. We now have mobile service. We will come out to you and do your service while you're home watching the game. Oil changes, you name it, we will come out and do it at your home with our mobile service. Got one of those pesky recall letters in the mail? Call us. We'll schedule you an appointment and we'll come out and do it at your house. It's that simple and it's that easy at El Centro Motors.
Hello Imperial Valley, it's Holly here from the Quick Lane at the mall. Let's beat the summer heat together. With our new promotion on the AC service, priced only at $159.99. We have 3 locations ready to serve you here at the mall, El Centro Motors, and in Brawley, with Brawley also offering our off-road and collision center. If you can't make it to us, we'll come to you with our mobile service vans. So let's beat the summer heat together. And remember, if you don't come see us first, we can't save you any money. It's just that easy.